This is my presentation on workplace health promotion at the Honda Motor Company. To be specific, we are going to be looking at how to improve the overall health of the employees by introducing a vegan diet. The Honda Motor Company is one of the largest automobile producers in the country. Below you can see some of the car pieces being put together. In 1949, the Honda Motor Company was started by Soichiro Honda and Taki Fujisawa. Although it varies from location to location, many of the campuses have upwards of 10,000 employees. That is a lot of people to manage and ensure that they are living healthy lives. Around 75% of the employees at the Honda Motor Company work in manufacturing. Many other work in research and development, engineering, and finance. While the headquarters are in Japan, there are many US locations. In the United States, the health of the population is quite poor. This is a result of low physical activity and poor eating habits with a high-fat diet. Additionally, the US lacks a universal healthcare system that impedes access to healthcare professionals. Therefore, issues that are treatable become chronic. Many of the prevalent health issues include cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic diseases become very expensive in the private healthcare system. And for this and many other reasons, it is important to have good health. However, companies such as the Honda Motor Company are responsible for providing healthcare for their employees. While many of these chronic diseases are easily avoidable, the lack of physical activity and the lack of healthy foods contribute to cardiovascular problems, obesity, and diabetes. According to the CDC, approximately all US states have more than 15% of physical inactivity. Fortunately, the Honda Motor Company created a program known as Honda Wellness. On the PowerPoint, you can see the leading staff for Honda Wellness. Through them, new programs or adjustments to previous ones are implemented. They make achieving a greater health possible. Within the company, the staff utilize a program known as Limeade. The associates are encouraged to complete various wellness challenges, health assessments, and screenings. And many of these programs that are implemented focus on fitness and avoiding the sedentary lifestyle. If a new workplace wellness program is introduced that focuses on diet, employees can live healthier lives. Because nutrition heavily influences one's well-being due to the fact that it encompasses the physical, social, and emotional and mental health, a good diet can effectively combat eating disorders and obesity. In turn, the risk of developing heart disease is reduced and work productivity increases. Many studies have reported that a vegan diet not only increased energy, but it improved body weight and reduced the risk of cardiovascular disease. Additionally, in a study, many reported how the diet helped their productivity and reduced their symptoms of health problems, which allowed them to be more productive in the workplace. While there are many health programs that encourage physical activity at work, the health could be optimized through education and implementation of a nutritious diet. In the US, the culture is very fast paced. So, more often than not, individuals opt for high fat food or fast foods at restaurants. Because the average person spends approximately 90,000 hours at work, we need to be able to feed our bodies appropriately and nutritiously, therefore, not opting to get fast food, even though it is the faster choice. As a result, healthier food options need to be more present at work. The goal is to encourage individuals to eat healthy by participating in a vegan diet. There is much more to eating healthy than salads. Through this program, employees can learn to try new foods, live healthier lifestyles, and live longer, happier lives. Food is fuel. What we put in our bodies determines how we will feel for the rest of the day and the rest of our lives. If we opt for a cheeseburger and fries every day for our meals, it actively contributes to the development of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease. Our bodies will start to feel sluggish. A vegan diet has proven to reduce absenteeism, improve productivity, and improve mental and physical health. And in order to encourage individuals to participate and maintain the vegan diet, for every month completed on the vegan diet, there will be a reduction in their insurance premium. Because some of the positions at the Honda Motor Company are not very sedentary, um, individuals often average 10,000 to 20,000 steps a day. In order to give them energy for their shifts, they need to have healthy food. For the individuals in the administration sector of the Honda Motor Company, they are quite sedentary, so they are at an extra risk for health issues such as cardiovascular disease. So the need for vegan diet in this workplace is evident. Like every study, progress needs to be tracked, and an effective method of doing so is through surveys. Some effective questions include the has your energy increased after switching to a vegan diet? Um, how much has your current diet affected the cost of your food purchases? And how easy or difficult has it been to maintain a proper diet? When attempting to eat healthier, individuals often don't know where to start. So, by gradually increasing the quantity of healthy foods at the cafeteria can make all the difference. By making these vegan foods more readily available, it will decrease the need for fast foods. The US culture is very fast paced, and so when switching to a vegan diet, there is a decreased amount of options for fast food places, which lets individuals opt for more healthier foods. By holding frequent workshops, individuals have a better idea on where to start. Tips can guide individuals to take healthier steps when making a vegan diet. By being more aware of nutrition facts and portions, healthcare can be improved dramatically. Through Honda Wellness, as the employees are making progress in regards to health, they can gradually decrease the cost of their insurance premiums. Additionally, an improved diet and simultaneous physical activity, the workplace is optimized, therefore increasing the output for the company. A happy worker is a healthy worker. Like any project, how do we ensure the success of a program? How do we know if we need improvements? I reason that in taking an anonymous survey every 3 months, it would allow us to track how energy has changed, how health issues have improved, and um, and if their digestion has improved dramatically. By them being anonymous, feedback can be taken appropriately and acted upon accordingly. Studies have demonstrated that by switching to a vegan diet, there is decreased absenteeism, improved productivity, and better physical and mental health that improves the overall health of the employees, which influences the environment in the workplace. In order to communicate the success of the program to human resources is through data collection from the anonymous surveys. If workers were open to it, they can share their experiences, and it would be clear in explaining the financial benefit of the company through the increased productivity and welcoming environment. On the PowerPoint, we can see a table of data that measures how the vegan group improved in their diet, increased energy, better sleep, rather than the controlled group who didn't change their diet. In my opinion, the Honda Motor Company is a great example of how workplace wellness programs can benefit the health of their employees. They keep their employees motivated by reducing the cost of their insurance premiums and challenging them to new wellness programs. I think it's a clever way to use the fact that the US doesn't have a universal healthcare system to an advantage. In doing so, they keep the health of their employees as a priority and improve the workplace. So, not only will an implementation of a healthy diet improve the health of the employees, it will change the environment of the workplace for the better. Productivity will increase and absenteeism will decrease, which is very beneficial for the company. And so long as the health of the employees is prioritized, the environment will be improved. My recommendation is for the Honda Wellness Company to advocate for a universal healthcare system. More often than not, a majority of individuals do not have access to the healthcare system, which often exacerbates the chronic health issues present in the US. And in having access to doctors or nurses or any form of healthcare, it can dramatically improve the health of their employees without the financial constraint that it causes. Which is why I think it's a really good thing that Honda Wellness allows these employees to decrease their insurance premiums and helping them live healthier lives. All in all, if there is a healthy diet, there are happy employees. The Honda Motor Company is a great example of a company that prioritizes the health of their employees and can set the example for other companies to follow. Vegan diet has already been tried to be implemented in many other companies because of the success of how it increases productivity and decreases absenteeism in the workplace. Thank you.